We are on in-class practice, second page, which is 1-B, and we are on strip number 11, 1-11. Okay, if I'm looking at this, I see that we have a nice P wave here. It starts right about at that little line, goes right about to the heavy line, maybe a little bit before that. That would be 4 little boxes, or 0.16. 0.16. QRS. Looks like it starts right about at that heavy line. It does have an itty bitty little S wave here. I want to include that in my measurement. That will give me 4, 8, a little bit here, a hair over that line. That'll give me a 12. Let's look at it over here. Just double check. 4, 8, almost all of that little box. And if you see, it comes down here and it slides over, and now it's going straight across. So this is the point right there that you want to cut off the QRS and PR measurement. So I'm going to take 4, 8, most of that box, a smidge of that box, and I still come up with 0.12. Now, I didn't mention it in the other couple of strips, but this guy has an inverted T wave. He has this QRS, it comes down to the S wave, it starts going sideways here, and then it goes whoop, down, and that's a T wave. We call it inverted because it's going upside down. We saw an inverted T wave, but I forgot to mention it in partial strip number 1-7 and also partial strip 1-9. So here we've got another one. When you get to your analysis, we would assume that this is sinus rhythm, and we can denote that that inverted T wave is there by writing it T, and I'm going to attempt to bring Wingdings up here. Wingdings, where are you? Wingdings. And I'm going to put a little arrow there. Go underline that. Okay, so that when we write this strip out, if this was a whole strip, it's not really worth doing for just 2 beats here. We don't know what else he's doing in his life for the next 6-12 seconds or whatever. But assuming that this strip all looks like this, then he would be definitely in sinus rhythm, and I should check my rate here. 375, 60. No, he's in the 50s. So he would be sinus brady. If you caught that already, good for you. Sinus bradycardia, and he's got an inverted T wave, and that's how I just write it. I just do a down arrow and say the T's pointing that way, and I'm done with it. So when we get to analysis, we're going to keep an eye out for those inverted T's because they're not normal, and we should make a note of that and let doctor know if he doesn't know already. Okay, that's it. So QRS of 16, PR of 16, QRS of 12, and he presumably is in sinus brady, but in any case, if we were going to write the analysis out, we would also include the fact that he has an inverted T, as I showed you.